Hi guys, today I will go IKEA because I used to not live in my house for a long time, and finally I moved to my house around 1 month ago. So in my room, what I only have is bed. Let me show. This is my room. There is nothing. My big carrier bag is used as my table. I will go IKEA and buy table. I arrived IKEA gwangmyeong, which is close from my house. It takes around 15 minutes or something. There is a funny story. Have you heard about the Korean English, which is called Konglish? We called IKEA IKEA. IKEA. So when I say IKEA, no one understands. So I just learned IKEA yesterday. Anyway, let's go IKEA. If you come IKEA, you have to bring this, even if you don't need it. You can pick up this one and also pencil. Find what are you looking for in the IKEA online store. I'm in showroom right now, and I can memo which one I like. Inside of this book, you can see the map of here. Oh, you can also use Wi-Fi. I just find something interesting. If you click this, you turn on and off, and you can choose the bright. You know what? IKEA put computer in here, and it turns out Apple. This is the place where I'm looking for. As you can see, you can choose the board first, and you can choose the legs. The price is reasonable, and you can make your own table. This is good, but I think I will check what they make first. Can you see how amazing is this? You can even put your cup in here. I think I'm gonna buy this. It extends is white. I like this desk and extend. It's quite big, but I'm not gonna buy these chairs. It's like chairman's chair. It looks like he's sleeping. In my opinion, doors are supposed to be cute. And this one is... Who's gonna buy this? I'm sorry who liked the snake dolls. I'm sorry. And I find something interesting. I finished to choose the tables, but I don't think I'm gonna buy chairs in here. I don't like it. Everything. We're gonna have a lunch. I heard IKEA's restaurant is so good and so cheap. That is one of the reasons that I came here to eat something in here. Let's go. And here's the restaurant. It's huge. Okay, here is a restaurant, and you can bring a cart, side, tray, 두 개 필요하려나? 나 혹시 모르니까 두 개 한다? 조금만 끓여봐, 나 음식 찍고. Traditional Swedish dish. Marinated salmon. You can see the menu on there, and you can order in there. 저 폭립 하나랑 아까 뭐였더라? 닭갈비 스테이크 하나 주세요. 네. 아니 우리 둘. 너 뭐 먹을 건데? 너 뭐 먹을 건데? 아니 나 그냥 보고 있어. 그냥 맛있어 보이는 걸로 했어. 같이 먹어. 저거 집어가야겠다. 치즈. 하트 좀 풀어줘. 어떻게 하는 거야? 그거네. 이쪽에 올라있죠? Just finished, have a meal, and I just realized that I didn't bring my card. My card is in my car. My card is in my car. So I'm going back to parking lot now. So stupid. Don't forget to bring your card. So this is the self-serve area. Mine was 9.44. You should bring a card. Finally, I arrived home and Now, start to make it. Finally, it finished. Oh, I didn't buy a chair in IKEA because there is nothing that I like. So I will order on internet. So until that, I can use like this. Thanks for watching this and see you next week. Bye bye.